I would like to get to know if I could be.
So before I actually install this 6x5 lace frontal wig, I want to show you girls what the wig looks like straight out the box. So this wig does come with like a spiral curl texture, so you can definitely wear this wig in its natural state like this, because this wig does come with a pre-plucked hairline as well. So let's go ahead and put this wig on. Hey girls, so today's wig is being sponsored by CelieHair. This is their 6x5 lace frontal wig that looks like this. This wig does come with a pre-plucked hairline, and the lace has already been removed from this wig. This wig also comes with an adjustable strap, so let's go ahead and put this wig on. Okay, girl, this is a lot of hair. I think this is like 24 inches. I don't even know, but let me show you girls what the parting space is like on this 13x4 lace frontal wig. So here's what the parting space looks like straight down the middle and to the side. So as you can see, wherever I part this wig, I'm going to get a clean parting look. So for today's look, I'm going to be doing a bust down middle part.
The kind of girl that you could be down for. Cause when I look at you, I feel something tell me that you're the kind of guy that I should make a move on. And if I don't let you know, then I won't be for real. I could be wrong, but I feel like something could be going on. The more I see you, the more that it becomes so true. There ain't no other for me, it's only you.
So I'm going to secure the wig down using the usual, which is the EBN spray. This wig does come slightly or lightly plucked in the front. So what I'm going to do to make sure I get the spray on my lace and not just like on the hairs of this wig is take small sections of this wig like in the front and then apply the spray directly on my lace. And this really helped with making sure I actually secured the wig down using the spray without, my hairs being hard or whatever. So for this look, I'm not going to use any baby hairs, even though I really wanted to. I'm not going to do any baby hairs. Now, because of like how this lace is cut, it is cut very short. I'm having to make sure I secure the wig where lace is, otherwise you can start to see like my edges come through on this wig. So yeah, I'm gonna continue to secure the wig and I'll be back. Okay, so what I'm going to do with the hairs that I pulled out on this wig to get more of a scalp look is simply use some tweezers and just start pulling those hairs out. I feel like this was better than me leaving the hairs because, I don't know, I just like for my wigs to show scalp and it wasn't giving that at first. So that's why I just decided to remove the hairs and it looks really good this way. Like, the lace is super invisible and the hairline starts to look even more natural with me removing the hairs. So yeah. Okay, so the wig and the hairline is definitely starting to come together and I'm here for it. So take a look at this hairline. It is definitely giving like sew in, definitely giving like, okay, good girl, it's growing out your scalp right now, okay. But I still got to do a little bit more tweaking to the hairline and this wig. So I'm going to go ahead and press out this hair because I wanted to do a straight look with this wig. I'm not sure how long this wig is. I don't have the details in front of me. But girl, this wig is long and it is a lot of hair. So I'm going to continue to straighten this wig and make sure I really press the roots of this hair because that's going to give it an even more natural look.
I would like to get to know if I could be the kind of girl that you could be down for. Cause when I look at you, I feel something tell me
so this is what the wig looks like completely straightened. This is a lot of hair, y'all. I don't even know if I want to chop some. I might want to chop some of this hair off because it's just so much hair. This wig is very thick and full, but I honestly appreciate the fullness in this wig, especially it being a straight wig. Now there is a lot of static in this hair. I don't know what's going on with that, but y'all can see like the flyaways lifting in the hair, giving like a static look. So I don't know what to do about that. But anyways, girl, look at how full this wig is. Super full and super long. The wig straightens beautifully, so I have no complaints with that. And look at that hairline, y'all. The hairline looks so good. Like, I didn't even know the hairline looked this good until playing it back like this. So yeah, girl, I'm gonna continue to straighten this hair a little bit more, and then I'm gonna also go in with that hot comb and make sure I press out the roots even more because I want this wig to be super sleek.
I would like to get to know if I could be the kind of girl that you could be down for. Cause when I look at you, I feel something tell me that you're the kind of guy that I should make a move on. And if I don't let you know, then I won't be for real. I could be wrong, but I feel like something could be going on. The more I see you, the more that it becomes so true. There ain't no other for me, it's only you. With what you're going through.
Okay, so as y'all can see, the wig is perfect. Look at how the girl, wet lace. Seriously, wet lace. This hairline is so perfect on this wig, girl. This is where I fucked up at though. I put oil sheen on this hair knowing damn well I don't fuck with oil sheen, but I wanted this wig to have a little bit more of a shine, and them static hairs was getting on my nerves, so I ended up using way too much oil sheen where it kind of weighed the hair down a little bit. But nevertheless though, this wig is still absolutely gorgeous. And I don't know, y'all, I just cannot stay away from baby hairs, so I decided to do small baby hairs, which I really think I should have just left it alone and not did any baby hairs, because the no baby hairs look was super clean and cute, but adding baby hairs was cute too because it wasn't so dramatic or intense. So you definitely can do this wig with baby hairs or without baby hairs, even though the lace already comes cut for you, which is a plus.
If all you need is my time that I got plenty.
Okay, this wig is super flat. I don't even think it's gonna get any flatter than what it is. So boom, this is what the wig is giving. I love, love, love this wig. You can probably hear it in my voice, like I'm literally smiling from ear to ear. I'm cheesing from ear to ear. This wig is so freaking gorgeous. I am not taking this wig down today. I am not installing another wig behind this wig because I mean, society got to catch all this. The public, they got to catch all this because this wig is so pretty, y'all. I love it with baby hairs. I love it without baby hairs. Either way, it's going to eat. So I'm going to make sure I leave everything below in the description bar. Make sure y'all check this company out, CelieHair. They really have a bomb-ass lace and hairline on this wig right here. I don't know about the other wigs, but this wig right here, 10 out of 10 for sure. So thank you so much for watching today's video, and I will see you girls in the next one. Bye.